This is Hansshow new Yoke steering wheel, the black and white contrast color, real leather, wear and tear resistance. The design is inspired by Tesla Model X and S. The yoke is for the Model 3 and Y. So to install this, it takes less than 15 minutes. Pop open the airbag with the 8 and 4 o'clock where you plug in the flathead screwdriver. Unplug the airbag yellow clip. And once you remove the airbag, unplug the burgundy clip for your scroll wheel. Then remove the 10mm socket, remove the wheel, and now swap over the interior component. So these scroll wheels are OEM. You will transfer this over to the Hansshow Yoke steering wheel. So to remove this, you do need some tools. You need a hex screwdriver, as well as a small head Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. Once you transfer over the scroll wheel computer module, you reinstall that and place it back on the yoke steering wheel. It is very simple. Once you able to remove and install the scroll wheel, you just tighten up the hex screw and place the yoke back on the tested vehicle. Reinstall the 10mm socket, plug back in the burgundy scroll wheel connector and the airbag connector, and you're good to go. So now this yoke will give you more visibility, especially if you have a overhead instrument cluster or a heads-up display. Check out link in the description of this video. Limited time is currently on sale. Make sure you use the discount code, and catch you all next time.